Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel Super Chef's Easy Cookbook. Friends, today we are making very healthy, light and delicious sandwiches. I call them the Veggie Delight Sandwich. These sandwiches are loaded with vitamin, protein and other healthy nutritions. You can always make it with bread and vegetables of your choice. Few tips. Take the moisture out from the vegetables before mixing them. In the description box, I have mentioned the detailed recipe. Kindly follow it. It's easy and yummy. Let's get started. To make Veggie Delight sandwiches, we need 6 to 8 slices of bread of your choice, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, half cup of hung yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of spinach finely chopped, 2 to 3 tablespoons of carrot finely chopped or grated, 1 tablespoon of capsicum or green bell pepper. You can also take any other color of bell pepper of your choice. 2 tablespoons of onion finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of cucumber. I have grated and strained it here. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. I have used here, that is hot and sweet chili sauce. In a mixing bowl, let's combine all the ingredients. Cheese, yogurt, ketchup, spinach, carrot, salt and pepper to taste, cucumber, onion and bell pepper. Mix all the ingredients together to form a nice thick mixture. All the ingredients are mixed well in a bowl and is ready to spread on the bread. Let's make the bread ready. First we will cut the edges of the bread slices. Here. You can also use brown bread, rye bread. It tastes good with all the breads. The bread is ready. Let us assemble the sandwich. Take a little mixture, spread it, just put a thin layer, do not add too much to it. To enhance the flavor of the sandwich, you can also add, it's totally optional to one's choice. Many people prefer green chutney, coriander or mint chutney. Just spread that little bit on the bread slice before adding the mixture. Spread the mixture and it's all set to assemble the sandwich. Our healthy Veggie Delight sandwiches are ready to serve, packed with nutritions, vitamins from the vegetables, calcium from the yogurt and cheese, protein from bread and cheese. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how your sandwiches turned out. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, click onto the bell icon to be informed for my next recipe. Thank you and happy cooking.